Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We're up here at the Albany show. So this is Coachmen Apex. It's the model number 191 rear RBS rear bath. Come on in and take a peek. It's probably one of the most popular little floor plans. They're lightweight. You got a dinette, little walk around bed, nice bathroom in the back with lots of storage cabinets. So air conditioning, LEDs, full-size refrigerator, freezer, right there. Cooktop, microwave. They're all about weight on these, trying to keep the weight down. So this is the slide out here. Air conditioning above, LEDs, storage above here on both sides. You got storage in here, a little closet there. You got storage under the bed. Bed lifts up. You got storage under there. Storage under the one right here's got storage under there. Pretty good cabinets. I mean, for a small trailer, like I said, this is a lightweight, but you got a lot of headroom. I mean, these are solid roof. I mean, Coachmen builds motorhomes, you know, so these are well built trailers. One of my favorites. What's really cool about the Apex is this little sticker right here. It's called Asdale, so it's basically like a plastic material built into the wall. They've been building this trailer for 9 years and not had one of them come back for, like, you won't get any bubbling. They advertise no rot, no mold, no mildew. I mean, it's a great trailer for people to coast. I sell a lot of them too. You got LEDs outside under the awning, the outdoor speakers, electric awning. They're single axle. It's like I said, it's to try to keep weight down. I mean, this trailer right here, for example, you're talking dry weight of 3,365 pounds. I mean, you know, it's a lot of people go looking at our pods or, you know, the smaller tent trailers where, you know, not much. You can actually get a real trailer. Got good storage in here, right there, across through all the side. I mean, they're pre-wired for solar. This little plugs in a little portable solar panel. So we put in 2 batteries. It comes with a single tank. You can put a taller tank. It's got the fiberglass cap with the window in the front, so it gives you good lighting in there. But great trailer. I can't say enough about them. They're just a really lightweight, so small sports utilities, you know, SUVs and stuff like that. So if you're looking for something and weight's a big thing for you, trying to keep weight down, they make a lot of different floor plans. So they make some bunkhouse models also, so lots of choices. So great trailer. The Apex 191 RBS, probably one of the most popular. Come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.